Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you Hlook in MS Excel. As you remember in the last lecture we learned VLOOKUP and this lecture we are going to learn Hlook. So what is the difference between Hlook and VLOOKUP? When we talk about VLOOKUP, so VLOOKUP is vertical and Hlook is horizontal. So okay, you say sir you are saying horizontal vertical, I am not getting. If you are not getting, don't take tension, this example is for you. For example, if we see here, so definitely as you can see that in normally definitely when we use VLOOKUP, so definitely we first we have ID, then the IDs definitely, and then names definitely below the names definitely, and then we have courses, getting me? So definitely this is VLOOKUP. But when we talk about HLOOKUP, so definitely we see something like this. As you can see that after definitely first we have ID, and after ID we have, you can say, ID numbers. Names, definitely after names, definitely after the name row we have names. After the courses row we have courses, getting me? So this is a difference. When we talk about normally when we use lookup or VLOOKUP, so definitely we have something like this. Definitely ID first, then after ID you can say we have, you can IDs and numbers, then names, and then courses. But when talk about HLOOKUP, so definitely we have something like this. Definitely we see something like this. For example, if we say 101, for example, so definitely if we want Navi, definitely this is definitely we see. If we want Java, so definitely courses, definitely we can see something like this. Getting me? But if we want something in VLOOKUP, so if we say 101, then we say Navi, definitely names, and definitely courses like this. Getting me? So this is a difference. Definitely. It must be very hard for you to understand. Don't take tension, okay? So definitely now I will teach you the syntax. Definitely everything become very easy for you. So what we do, in order to start any formula, as you know that we use is equals to. So definitely after is equals to we have to tell the name of the formula. So definitely the name of the formula is as lookup. Then we have to tell the lookup value, means where we will find the value. So I say that this is the cell, and here I will put the, you can say, the value, then comma, then we have to give all the table, then comma, and now in the place of columns, definitely as we have in you can say a VLOOKUP, definitely when we use VLOOKUP, so it asks column name. When we use HLOOKUP, so it asks the row number, definitely row. So definitely here we are using rows. Definitely I will say that I want name, so definitely this is the row number 2, definitely it's the row number 1, row number 2, and row number 3, because this is column 1 2 3 4 5. But when talk about row, definitely this is row, so definitely this is the first row and this is the second row. So I want the data from the second row because I want names. So I say names, so definitely I say in 2, then comma, and then is asking two questions. The first is true and the second is false. When we say 2 means approximate match, means 100, means that okay, not 100%. If you say 98 or 99%, if it's correct, okay, it's fine for me. But when we say exact match, so I want 100 out of 100, getting me? Exactly 100%. So definitely it's fine for me, so I say that true. So in order to get true, I say tab, definitely I use tab, and I say enter. Now definitely now it's giving me an error. So what will I do? I will say that 101. Now as you can see that now it's giving me name. In the place of 102, 101, if I say 102, so that's getting me, as you can see that now it's showing Hussein, because definitely Hussein 102. Now we do the same thing for courses. So definitely we start, as you know, in order to start any formula we have to use is equals to, then the name of formula, so the name of formula is HLOOKUP. Then we have to tell the lookup value, means where we will write. So I say this, definitely in this cell, select this cell, then comma, and then take all the table, then comma, and this time definitely this is the first row, second row, and this is the third row, because I need courses, so definitely the third row. So I say in this time third, then comma, and definitely I say tab, and definitely tab I say okay. As you can see that now it's giving me office. So if I say that not 102, if I say 103, as you can see that now it's showing the Kamran, and definitely name Kamran, in the course definitely is graphics, getting me? So this is the way to get the data. This is the way to get the data. So for example, if you are working any organization, and definitely for example, if thousands of people are working there, so definitely you cannot remember the names, their courses, or you can say for example anything about them. So definitely with their ID name or with the ID you can get the information about them. Getting me? So this was a lecture on HLOOKUP. If anyone asks from you what is the difference, so you say that HLOOKUP means that vertical. Definitely this is the vertical, and when we say definite vertical, we see something like this. And when we talk about VLOOKUP, so definite when we talk about HLOOKUP, say horizontal, and when we talk about vertical, so definitely we see something like this. Getting me? So I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah Hafiz fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.